strong his neck is.
I know. Look, he was looking earlier.
He was looking right at me.
Say hi, everybody.
Oh, what a sweet boy.
Say hey, guys.
He's like looking up at the lights. You just got done crying, didn't you? Oh my gosh.
Look at his little neck.
Oh, turn to the side. Let me see him to the side. I love. Look at him. I don't want him to grow anymore.
Well, he's really not growing. He is still wiry and thin. There you go. Look at him. He looks like he's Superman out there. I'm honestly not holding his neck. He's just like...
Too much, yeah. Turn to the other side.
He's holding up. Oh, now he's tired.
Oh, Neb got tired.
Oh, Dad, that was a lot of work. My head's like 50% of my weight.
It's time for bed. Say, I'll see all you guys in the morning.
Say I had a really nice time.
Good night, everybody.
Can you wink?
No.
Give him a wink. They love it.
Olivia, you kind of have a hard time in the mornings, don't you?
Because sometimes I just don't want to wake up.
No, it's because you take forever to go to sleep.
Mom. No. Last night I went to sleep good.
You did? Just a minute, Code.
Yeah, I did. That's just it. When it gets so warm, I'm like, I want to stay in this bed.
Okay, how are you going to smile for pictures?
We always do like 3 pictures, so I might do 3.
So that's the rain. The blue is the rain.
And this sun.
So that's all the rain?
Mm-hmm. And then this is the sun, butterfly, and the ladybug.
Wow. You love to color, huh?
And
you always
that
have.
is black.
Let me see your teeth. Did we brush them nice and good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't want to go in the rain.
Okay, stand up so let me see how cute you are. Oh my goodness, your hair looks so beautiful.
No, Mom, now can we eat?
Yes.
Throw it down.
Can we talk about something for a second?
Mom.
Do you think I'm going to get mad?
My eyes?
No.
I'm very sorry.
Someone just texted me and asked me for my email address.
Mommy, I want to
Well, they texted me like 10 minutes ago.
Mommy.
Okay, first we have to have breakfast and then I'll get you a treat.
Ouchie.
Okay, let's eat our
Look at that
breakfast
smiley
first.
guy.
Boss doesn't want to give me a hug.
Want to give me a hug? Hey, Bon, want to give me a hug?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Joel, what? Okay, let's just talk about this for a second.
Why do people text at terrible times?
Hey, I thought this was just like common courtesy with like the phone. You don't call or text people, especially someone that just had a baby, before or after 9 o'clock in the morning and at night. You don't text, you don't call before 9 in the morning, and you don't text or call after 9 o'clock at night. Of course, like, if you know, like, my dad texted me last night at 9:45, and we were awake, and that was just fine. But that's because he's my dad, and he knows when I go to bed.
And it was four-wheeler related. It's justified.
Dad, can I have a little bit more of my bowl?
Oh, did you get me a bowl too?
Yeah, you eat that first, and then I'll get you more.
Do you want to know? Do you want to know what me and Joel do for our cereal bowls? If I eat cereal before Joel does, or if Joel eats cereal before I do, what do you do with your bowl for me?
You rinse it out and set it on the counter for you.
I don't know if that's weird. We rinse the bowl out really, really good. And then we just set it on the counter so that the next person can use the bowl. That way we don't have to like do more dishes. Is that weird?
No, that's totally normal. And I save the milk occasionally so the Bonnie can just use the rest of my milk
Ew,
too.
that's
It's
disgusting.
like bath water, you just share it.
Ew, that's disgusting. That is not true. What's the matter?
I want to get another spoon, but I'm okay. So I just did.
What spoon
So
do you want,
pushed
bud?
his hand away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one do you want? The red
No,
one?
he already has one.
It's okay.
It's okay.
That's a fork.
Want me to find the one?
You want that red spoon?
That's not a spoon. That's a
I know. He wants the. Oh, look what Daddy found. What do you say, Boston? Let go. Let go.
Let go.
Doesn't the rain sound so good? Thanks for helping me with my laundry.
Well, I feel bad because I think most of it's mine.
So, I'm not very good at doing laundry, and having the baby has only made it worse.
I can't find the right side out for my shorts. Look, they have underwears in them.
Cut it out.
Actually, I kind of like wearing both pair.
Why?
It's cozy.
That's funny. Okay, let's finish our laundry. You being a good boy down there? Okay, every day. Oh, it's the same thing. He eats. He's sad for a little bit because he wants to keep eating even though he's full. And then he's happy for about a half hour. And then when he starts getting fussy, I know it's time to go back to bed. And then we repeat the process when he wakes up from his nap. Just like so. And he likes to be right on my chest. Like this. I give him a binky. And he lays his head down. And I burp him.
Sort of.
Well, he will. He's just... Whoops!
Hey.
Do you see him pulling his face away? Okay. There we go. Now you can relax. Relax.
Yeah, that's a good boy.
And I burp until he kind of falls asleep. Might take us a minute though, huh? Gotta figure this out there. Oh, see, there we go. There we go. And I burp him until he's kind of drowsy. Yeah.
Good night, bud.
This is what we do, huh? On the daily. Like 50 times.
50 times.
There.
Good night, bud.
Oh, you're tired.
Yeah, he is. Oh, now he's excited.
It just takes a minute.
Okay. Everybody likes you, bud.
And if they don't, I'll kill them.
Oh, jeez.
Stitches, get some stitches. Snitches, get some stitches.
It's funny to watch Cody take the role of older sibling. When Olivia was home, she just kind of did everything. If the kids needed snacks, she would go upstairs and get the kids snacks. If a new movie needed put in, she would put a new movie in. But now that Cody is the oldest one here, he's kind of been forced into hey. Cody. Yeah, he can help you. Look how mad he is. Okay, Boston, do you want to help too?
No.
Look, stand up and you can do it too. Cody, do not knock those out of his hand. Let him help you. He wants to help you. Boston, stand up. Stop pouting.
Oh, good knock.
He won't knock it out of your hands again.
Oh.
Okay, you put yours away. Will you move the gate so he can put them away? Oops. Cody, move the gate so he can...
No, that's so I can not let the blocks fall out.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, Cody has definitely grown up since Olivia started going to school all day.
Bugs too.
Who's coming to get you?
Jen?
Who?
Jen?
Uncle Jared? Oh my goodness.
I want to go more.
No, you're not going to Wiggle Worm. You're going to go watch a movie at his house. Now, don't punch the camera.
Mad face.
Oh, that's a mad face. Show me a mad face.
Mad face.
No, show me a happy face.
A face.
Show me happy face.
A face.
Okay, show me a sad face.
Sad face.
Let me see. Show me a sad face.
Sad face.
Show me a sad face, Boston.
Sad face.
Show me a mad face.
Mad face.
Okay, are you excited to go to Uncle Jared?
Yeah. Yeah. So Dad said yes.
Yes? Oh my
And
word.
Olivia has some. Boston has some in that.
Olivia, how was school pictures today?
Good.
Show me how you smiled. Ooh! Oh, hey. Will you show us the other part of the song that you learned?
What song?
Stand up. Show me the Superman part. Wow. Yes. Wow. Oh my word. Okay, show me the rest of the part of the song. Okay, Code. Shh. Let's watch Olivia.
Watch me, Superman.
That was like 2 seconds. Okay, show me the whole rest of the song that you learned in class.
Watch me whip, watch me nanny, watch me whip, watch me nanny, watch me whip, watch me nanny. Ooh, watch me Superman. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Dad, guess what?
Come here. You did. Were you gonna? She's gonna kiss the camera. You did so good, Joel. You just missed it.
Mom,
She'll
look.
have to do it for you.
Smell. Okay.
Oh, you smell like Daddy.
No, but watch me.
You
Superman.
smell like Daddy.
Ooh,
Oh
watch
my
me.
gosh.
Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me.
Do it again.
It's so cute, huh?
Watch me. Ooh, watch me.
Ooh. Show me again. Come on, do it.
Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me.
Yeah.
Superman, Joel. You got a Superman.
Oh.
Oh, he doesn't have a Superman. Okay, show him how to
Show me
Superman.
how to Superman.
Show the Superman.
Ooh, watch me, Superman.
Superman. You gotta lift. Yep. Yes. Don't you remember that move? Good job, Daddy.
Baby knows how.
That's his move. Yeah.
Baby knows how to do it. Look, baby knows.
Oh.
Mom, baby knows how to Superman.
Oh, the baby knows how to Superman. Good job. So I think we're gonna end the vlog here, just so I can, in my mind, know that the vlog is ended, so that I can get through the rest of the night. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
Watch me Superman.